All right, I'm doing a quick a rundown on installing the two battery cables, on the positive and negative. So the negative is up to the bolt that's on your water pump. Okay, and then the ground to the car right there. Okay, and then the positive. There's this small cord that goes to the little power block that's right here, so it provides power for the rest of the car. And then going down to the starter, you've got two clips. You've got one here, you've got one here, and then from there it goes down underneath the car. Get into the car, comes in, and we've got two clips that bolt to the couple of the bolts on the oil pan. We've got one clip here. We've got another one here. Okay, and then from there it goes to your starter. And then I'm not exactly sure which of these bolts it goes to. On the manual, it doesn't show. It just shows two bolts. It doesn't say which ones. So I just spaced it a little bit to make it efficient. And that's it for these cables.